Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Boys and girls, I'm pleased to announce that I have completed my list of prompts that was given to you all right at the beginning of this term, when we started to put together our Catholic images. And I have uploaded a video. Please, I'd like you all to have a look at it, because I'm going to invite you all to using your beads to pray the rosary. So I have them, just quickly go through them, and some of them are plain beads, some of them have the colors. And boys and girls, you know, I would love to see you. I already got two students, I beg your pardon. That's Ria and Shimaria. Their parents have given them permission that I can feature them in my next video. So I'd love to feature yours in my next video too. And we're just gonna go through the different designs and actually I did the joyful mystery, so please pray with me, and please like that video and have a look at it, and then maybe you can do something like that and share it with me so that I can have it on my channel. Once your parents have given me permission, it would be a pleasure to share it in my YouTube channel. So boys and girls, like I'm going through, and you can see that there were some beads that are plain, like I told you all, and some of them have our 31 designs, which is the 31 days in October. So I'm really, really happy, really, really pleased that we finished this project, and I haven't seen anybody's yet, so I can't wait when that time comes so that we can share each other's work, and you all will be able to see it. So that's it, boys and girls. This was in silver and gold, which is really pretty, and then that's the cross to begin, because we begin the rosary with a sign of the cross. So boys and girls, today, as we're in the month of November, we remember the dead. So I'm sure that you can, some of you all who were in my class last year, we went to visit the cemetery and we would pray for our loved ones. So boys and girls, we're back to November again, and so let us try to remember those who have died and say a short prayer for them. So this work is in addition to your Catholic. For those of you who have not finished your Catholic project, you know, you still have time. And for those who have, then you can start with this project. Well, we're just going to draw with me. We're going to draw some flowers for our dearly beloved that have died. And so, boys and girls, Mary is the queen of the spiritual flowers, and we're going to draw a rose today. The rose is the most beautiful of all flowers, and it's a symbol of our Blessed Mother's love for God. And we know that the rosary is like roses we offer up to our Blessed Mother so she can bring them as a bouquet to her son. And Mother Mary is known as the rose without thorn because of her immaculate conception. She was conceived without sin, so she would not have thorns. And we also have our junior presidium, those of you in my prayer group, called the mystical rose. So let's get started with this drawing. And as we're drawing this rose, boys and girls, we're going to start with that's the middle part of the rose. It always has a swirly part. If you look at the roses very carefully, it's the deepest part there, and it always begins with a swirl like that. And then we have like petals. The petals are beautiful. They have an amazing way of cascading, and it's almost like a wave of beautiful flowers coming down. So it's the rose is so complicated, people might say, but it's still, in its complication, it's beautiful. So roses come in all different colors. I know that our Blessed Mother appeared to Our Lady, to Saint Bernadette in Lourdes, and she had yellow roses on her feet. Now, boys and girls, these roses here, or this rose here, I will leave it. It's up to you what color that you decide to offer up to your dearly departed loved ones. And so, boys and girls, coming to the we have a sepal that holds this, coming to the close of our drawing of a rose. Okay, and we have the rose going like this, and we have the leaf. Now the leaf has this kind of a zigzag shape to it, like that. And then we can do the other one the same way, like that. Like that. All right, boys and girls, and there you have your rose. And we're going to offer that up to our dearly, dearly departed relative who have died. Eternal rest grant unto them, O Lord, and let perpetual light shine upon them. May they rest in peace. Amen. And may the souls of all the faithful departed, through the mercy of God, rest in peace. Amen. In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti. Amen. I can't wait to see your rose. Please share with me when we next meet again. Bye.